Hey champs, today we are going to learn PHP function. This is the 11th function in our PHP 100 function series. Okay, now let's start. Text. This is a test for testing str replace function. Okay, now create a new variable, replace text str replace. So test will be changed as an example. This is a example for str replace function. So first echo text br, and now echo replace text. So this is the original text written. This will return original text, and this will return replace text. Okay, now we can check this in browser. So this is a test for testing str replace function, and this is a example for exampling str replace. So example will change with test. Okay. Now, if you think this video is useful to you, like, subscribe, and comments if you want any other things. Thank you very much for watching.